use our EMS mobile solution for a variety of things, but a big example that we use it for, and what we use it for the most, is our neonatal resuscitation program. It gives our facilitators and our participants a variety of views. So we can have a view of the isolate, we can have a view of the vitals, and what's nice about it is we can record during the whole session, and then we can play it back afterwards, and the facilitators can give in-time feedback and really go into detail of what went well and what didn't go well for the debriefing. In clinical care training, EMS helps cover the knowledge gaps by a variety of ways. When we are recording all of our sessions, a lot of participants are in the moment and they don't realize what they're doing and when they're doing it. And we have had debriefings where we do the playback using our EMS mobile unit, and we look at the timestamps and we can decide and decipher on what went well and when it happened. And for example, CPR, a participant goes in, meets the patient, and starts taking care of this patient, and they go into a code. Well, they took 3 minutes to start CPR. Well, we have that timestamp using our EMS software, and so we can go back and give that feedback in real time and make sure that it doesn't happen in real life.
Ooh, biggest thing. We have a ton of faculty and facilitators that run our systems. Recording is an essential component of being able to do evaluations appropriately, standardized, and part of our regulatory agencies. The ability for them to be able to log in, click the button, and do all of their recording and notes within that system in one easy place has been huge. We went from no recordings to, surprise, everyone is recording now. So it's made it very easy as far as the user ability and ease, very quick training time for them. One of the biggest challenges in our organization was to ensure that all of our recordings for our simulations were happening and in a quick, efficient process. With the implementation of our EMS recording system, we have ease of use, ease ability. Our faculty are able to quickly enter in all of the information while the students are being recorded, and for those recordings to be safely stored and viewed for evaluations throughout the system. So we've gone from 0 efficiency in recording to 100% efficiency as far as that goes. The support has also been an essential component of that. When we have issues or problems, they're always there to quickly help, which don't typically happen a lot, but when they do, we can get right back on track. And the faculty have all been very excited and comfortable using this system. One of my favorite things about the system and the product is that it doesn't matter what we've used or what we have in our building, you guys have been able to incorporate that. I have different mannequin manufacturers and different people. Everything works. It's not a you have to use this or you have to use that to get all the functionality, which has been a huge thing and one of my favorite pieces.
Another reason why EMS simulation is great for patient safety is we're able to rewind videotape or the videos so that if students have any questions or if instructors notice anything wrong with how the simulation went, we're able to debrief and analyze with the students so that we can help prevent patient safety concerns in the future for their jobs. EMS helps Viterbo with their key learning objectives by allowing us to collect data, upload data, and record all of the information. Specifically, Simulation IQ, we're able to put in all the schedulings and the participants so that if we do need to go back and watch what happened in a simulation, we're able to see what students were there, who was what, and what time this occurred at. EMS platform is definitely important for us. One, it helps my job be a lot easier where I don't have to handwrite all this data and collect it and keep records of it. It does all of that inside the application. It also helps our students not just be sitting in a room waiting and getting scared that they're about to go into simulation lab. They're able to sit in an observation room, listen and watch and visualize what it's going to be like, and also learn from their peers. They're not just going in there by themselves and feeling scared. We try to make simulation as fun as possible here at Viterbo. Fun and challenging, and having the opportunity to listen and hear while other students are going in really helps the learning process.
We've been using EMS's products for well over 10 years, and as we've implemented their technologies into our simulated workflows, it's been essential to develop a strong and healthy relationship with their customer support team. I know many of them by name. When we onboard new employees, we work with EMS support to introduce each other, and we continuously communicate with the support team to help better our product to our learners.